NCM Learning Center. Good morning friends. In this video, we will discuss about the identification of best method for solving the first order differential equation. Let me discuss. If the first order differential equation is given, the first objective or first step is to identify the which method is best or suitable for the given differential equation. If you not identify the best method, you cannot solve this differential equation very easily, or otherwise it will take very long time to solve this problem. So when you are going to write the examinations, if the first order differential equation is given, first objective is to identify which method is suitable for solving the given differential equation. Okay, in this video we will discuss how to identify the best method for the solving the given differential equation. The types of differential equation are first order differential equation and higher order differential equation. The first order differential equation means if the order of the differential equation is 1, then the equation is called as first order differential equation. For example, this equation is first order differential equation because the order of the dy by dx, is 1. So this equation is first order differential equation. Higher order differential equation means if the order of the differential equation is 2 or more than 2, then the differential equation is called as higher order differential equation. For example, here in this equation, order of the differential equation is 3. This d cube y by dx cube. That means the order of the differential equation is 3, so it is higher order differential equation. Okay. The various method for solving the first order differential equation are: first method is variable separable method, the second one is homogeneous equation method, third one is exact equation method, fourth one is integrating factor method, fifth Bernoulli equation method, the last one is the format of dy by dx is equal to a1x plus p1y plus c1 divided by a2x plus p2y plus z2 method. If the differential equation is given, the first step, initially you have to identify which method is best for a given differential equation. If you identify that, you can solve this problem very quickly. Otherwise, the problem solving for the problem is complex. Now we will discuss which method is best for the given differential equation. Okay. So the variable separable method. If the variables x and y are separable, then only use this method. Otherwise, we cannot use this method. For example, if dy by dx is equal to product of function of x and function of y, here this variable x and y are easily separable. Here we may simplify that dy by dx divided by f of y is equal to f of x into dx. In the left side, the term only have the function of y. In the right side, the terms have only the variable x. So here separatable. Y variables in the left side and x variable in the right side. If it is separable, use this method. If it is not separable, you cannot use this method. Okay. For example, here this question is asked in IAS 2017 whether this equation is separable or not. If it is separable, you can use this variable separable method, or otherwise you have to choose any one of the other 5 methods. Okay. So simplify this equation. So we will get like this. Now we will separate. We can easily separate. Now this equation will become like this: y into dy divided by root of 1 minus y square. Here minus x root of 1 minus x square dx. Here the left side have only y variable and the right side have only x variable. This equation are easily separable. So for solving this equation, the best method is variable separable method because this variable x and y are separable. Okay. Next, the second method, homogeneous equation method. If this differential equation variable x and y are not separable, then use the second method, the homogeneous equation method. If this equation, differential equation, is in the form of dy by dx is equal to function of y by x, then this equation is called as homogeneous equation. For example, here the differential equation is given. Here we cannot separate the variable x and y, so we cannot use this method, variable separable method, for this problem. If this equation is homogeneous equation, we may choose the homogeneous equation method, or otherwise we may choose any one of the other methods. Okay, now we will check. We will simplify this equation like this. So take x outside on both numerator and denominator. We will get dy by dx is equal to xy minus 2y squared by x square minus 3xy. Now take x square outside, simplify, only simplification. Now we will get dy by dx is equal to y by x minus 2 into y by x whole square will be 1 minus 3 by y by x. This equation is in the form of y by x. So this equation is homogeneous equation. So we may choose the homogeneous equation method for solving this differential equation. Next, the third method, exact equation method. If the equation is in the form of f of x comma y, that means function of x comma y into dx plus function of x comma y into dy is equal to 0, and if it satisfies this condition, we have to differentiate the coefficient of dx with respect to y variable. Then we have to differentiate the dy by coefficient with respect to x variable. If both are equal, then the equation is called as exact differential equation. If this condition are satisfied, we may choose this exact equation method. Okay, or otherwise we go to choose another one method. For example, here the differential equation is given for this problem. This is not separable, this is not homogeneous. Then we have to check whether it's the exact equation method or not. So simplify this equation like this format. So we will get this equation. Let us take this coefficient of dx term as the f of x comma y and coefficient of dy term as g of x comma y. We have to differentiate the coefficient of dx with respect to y variable. Here x variable is a constant one because we are going to differentiate with y variable. So cos x into 1. Okay, because cos x is constant one. X variable is constant when we differentiate with respect to y variable. So plus 2 into x e power y. If you differentiate e power y with respect to y, you will get e power y. Then differentiate the g of x comma y with respect to dx. So we will get sin x. Definition of sin x is cos x. E power y is constant. So x power 2. Definition of x square is 2x. Here both are same. Conditions are satisfied. For these problems, if you choose the exact equation method, the solution will be an easiest one. Integrating factor method. So if the first order differential equation is in the form of dy by dx is function of x into y is equal to function of x, or otherwise dx by dy plus function of y into x is equal to function of y. We may use this integrating factor method. For example, for solving this differential equation, which method is best? This differential equation is look like this integrating factor method form. Very quickly you may choose this method, but we will check one by one. So whether it's a separable, variable separable, you cannot separate this variable x and y. So it's not separable one. So not variable separable method is not suitable for solving this differential equation. It's a not homogeneous equation. So homogeneous equation method is not suitable for solving this differential equation. Then whether it is the exact equation, this is not exact equation. For solving this equation using the exact equation method is not suitable. Only suitable method is the integrating factor method. Here f of x is equal to 1 by x, g of x is equal to sin x. Fifth one, Bernoulli equation method. If the given differential equation is in the form of dy by dx plus function of x into y is equal to g of x into y power n, or in the form of dx by dy plus function of y into x is equal to function of y into x power n. If any one of the form, we have to use the Bernoulli equation method. Okay, that method is best for solving this such type of problems. For example, here this equation is looks like this format, Bernoulli equation format. So we may choose this Bernoulli equation method for solving this differential equation. Last method, format of dy by dx is equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1y, a2x plus b2y plus c2. So if this given equation is in this format, choose this method. For example, here the equation is given. Check one by one. First check whether it is variable separable method. Second check is a homogeneous equation. Third is the exact equation. Fourth one is integrating factor method. or is a Bernoulli equation. All the method is not suitable. Find the dy dx. This looks like this format. So we may use this method for solving this differential equation. This is the identification of best method for solving the given differential equation. Remember that first step for solving the differential equation is identification of the best method for solving the given differential equation. Then only you can solve this equation very easily. In next video, we will discuss the each methods in detailed manner. Okay. Continuously watch our channel. Definitely you can get the good marks in the competitive examinations. Good. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button and click the bell icon for notification. Like, comment and share.